10 stars. Welcome to the maths class, students. Students, yesterday we have started with the exercise 4.1 and done till question number 6. So now we are going to proceed further from question number 7. Question number 7 of your exercise 4.1 is prove the following by using the principle of mathematical induction for all small n belongs to the natural numbers. Here P of n is given by 1.3 plus 3.5 plus 5.7 and so on 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, which is equivalent to n within bracket 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. So as we proceed, we will first find the P of n LHS and RHS for n is equal to 1. For n equal to 1, LHS will be the first term, that is 1.3. Dot is the product over here, students. So 1.3 is 3. Next RHS. In RHS we are going to substitute n as 1. So when we substitute n as 1, on simplification we are getting the value as 3. As you can see, LHS is equal to RHS. So this implies P of 1 is true. Next we will consider that for some positive integer k, P of k is true. That is, our formula P of n stands for P of k also. So we will rewrite the whole formula Pn by interchanging n to k. Need to prove that the given Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. That is for the next term. So P of k plus 1 by the definition of Pn will become 1.3 plus 3.5 plus 5.7 plus so on up to 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1. Again interchanging k as k plus 1. So we are getting 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3, which should be equivalent to k plus 1 within bracket 4 times of k plus 1 square plus 6 times of k plus 1 minus 1 by 3. So here we will show that the LHS is equal to RHS. So in the LHS, students, till 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1, the whole value can be, or the whole sequence can be interchanged by the value of pk. So we are just substituting that. So it reduces to 4 times within bracket 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3 plus 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. Next we are making the factors and taking the LCM first. When we take the LCM, it is reduced into 4k cube plus 18k square plus 23k plus 9 by 3. Students, sometimes it becomes difficult to find its factor after this. So you can solve your RHS till this part and then you can show that LHS is equal to RHS. And if not, you are able to find the factors easily, then it's good enough. You just find one of the factor as minus 1, then rest by the long division. This you already know, we were doing such type of questions since class 9th. So we are finding its factor, so it reduces to the same form as our RHS is. So LHS is equal to RHS. This implies my P of k plus 1 is true for all positive integers k. So hence my P of n is true for all the real numbers. Next, the question number 8 is prove the following by using the principle of mathematical induction for all small n belongs to the natural numbers. The sequence is given by 1.2 plus 2.2 square plus 3.2 cube and so on n dot 2 raised to power n, which is equivalent to n minus 1 into 2 raised to power n plus 1 plus 2. So here let us define this whole value as Pn and we will proceed with n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, LHS will be the first term, that is 1.2, that comes out to be 2, and RHS we will substitute n as 1 over here. So that is 1 minus 1 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 2. So first bracket will become 0, rest is plus 2. So our result is 2. As you can see, LHS is equal to RHS, hence our P of 1 is true. Next, let us consider that P of k is true for some positive integer k, such that whole Pn can be defined for P of k also. Just interchange n as k. Now to prove it for P of k plus 1, we will redefine that for p of k plus 1. So it reduces to 1 dot k plus 2 dot 2 square plus 3 dot 2 cube plus so on k dot 2 raised to power k, and plus k plus 1 into 2 raised to power k plus 1. This new term comes due to k plus 1, which is equal to k raised to power 2 raised to power k plus 2 plus 2. So here we are going to simplify the LHS. So for till k into 2 raised to power k, we are substituting the value as k minus 1 into 2 raised to power k plus 1, that is from p of k. So plus 2 plus k plus 1 2 raised to power k plus 1. Simplifying, we are getting the same value as on the RHS of k plus 1. So hence our p of k plus 1 is true whenever p of k is true. So thus by the principle of mathematical induction, our statement p of n is true for all the natural numbers n. Next, question number 9 is prove the following by using the principle of mathematical induction for all small n belongs to capital N, that is natural numbers, that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus and so on plus 1 by 2 raised to power n is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power n. So let us define this whole statement as Pn. So first we will find for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, LHS will be the first term, that is 1 by 2. In RHS we will substitute n as 1. So it reduces to again 1 by 2 on simplification. So we can see that LHS is equal to RHS. So our P of 1 is true. So now let us consider that P of k is true for some positive integer k. So we will define P of k similar to P of n, just changing n to k. Next we are going to prove it for the k plus 1 and defining the whole statement again. P of k we are defined as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 so on plus 1 by 2 raised to power k plus 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1, which should be equivalent to 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1. So here we are picking up the LHS. So till 1 upon 2 raised to power k, we will substitute the value from pk, that is 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power k and plus 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1 as such. Next we are simplifying these two. We will just simplify only 1 upon 2 raised to power k and 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1. So on simplifying, we are getting the value as 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1, which is equivalent to our RHS. Hence our P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. So by PMI, our P of n is true for all the natural numbers n. Students, next question number 10, 11 and 12 I am giving as a homework to you. It is just similar to question number 1 to question number 9 as we have done in the previous sessions. So follow that and try to do the question number 10 to 12. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class today. Do your homework also. And you have any query regarding the topic, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Thank you. Take care and have a great day ahead.